Converting cold leads with email education sequences is a strategy you can't afford to ignore. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you how to turn cold prospects into warm leads, all through the power of well-crafted email sequences. Stick around until the end and I'll reveal a tool that can help you implement this effectively with an exclusive free trial for my viewers. First, let's talk about the basics. Email education sequences are a series of automated emails designed to nurture cold leads by providing value, establishing trust, and moving them closer to a decision. The goal is to educate and guide them through their journey, not just sell to them. The first step is crafting your sequence around pain points. You need to understand what keeps your leads up at night and address those concerns. Start with a strong hook in your first email, something that speaks directly to their problem. Don't jump straight into your offer. Start by educating them on their issue and why it's important to solve it now. Now, the next thing you need to focus on is delivering consistent value. Each email in your sequence should solve a small problem or answer a common question that your leads have. This positions you as an expert in your field and builds credibility over time. For example, if you're in the financial industry, you might send emails on topics like how inflation is affecting your savings or what you need to know about protecting your wealth with gold IRAs. Another critical element is the pacing of your emails. You don't want to overwhelm your leads with too much information in one go. Break down complex topics into bite-sized pieces that are easy to digest. Keep your emails short, focused, and actionable. This way, leads won't feel bogged down or bored with your content. Next, don't forget to add strong calls to action in every email. Each one should have a next step, whether it's scheduling a call, downloading a free resource, or reading a case study. It's important to keep the momentum going so that leads continue progressing down the funnel. Here's a pro tip. Personalize your emails whenever possible. Use the lead's name, reference past interactions, and send targeted content based on their interests. This small touch can make a big difference in how leads perceive you. Also, you want to make sure that your email sequence feels like a conversation, not a sales pitch. So ask questions, encourage replies, and invite them to engage with your content. This humanizes your brand and makes your emails feel less automated. Finally, analyze your results. After sending out your email sequence, look at open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to see what's working and what isn't. Don't be afraid to tweak your messaging or email timing based on this feedback. The key takeaway here is that to convert cold leads with email education sequences, you need to provide value at every step, address their pain points, and keep things simple and conversational. By nurturing your leads, you build trust and position yourself as the solution to their problems. Before we close, remember that you can implement this strategy effectively with the software we've been talking about today. And as a special offer for my viewers, you can grab an exclusive free trial of this software in the description below. To quickly recap, start with a compelling hook, deliver valuable content over time, make it personal, and always provide a next step. You've got the tools to turn cold leads into loyal clients. Now go implement it. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.